Can you tell what we're making today based on the ingredients I'm holding? Apple cider and pumpkin bread. Yes, it's gonna be gluten-free, but we're not actually using this bread. I'll show you what I mean. This is such an easy recipe and it tastes really delicious. And here's what it looks like when it's all done. This apple cider pumpkin bread is a sweet, quick bread that has all the flavors of the fall season. In a large mixing bowl, start with your brown sugar, then add in all of the wet ingredients, the oil, eggs, apple cider, and the canned pumpkin. Get that mixed around with your mixer real well until it's combined. Of course, to finish up the batter, you've got to add the dry ingredients. I use a gluten-free flour blend. You can use all-purpose flour as well if you'd like. Then put in your salt, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and pumpkin pie spice. Get that all mixed around real well, and if you need to, scrape down the sides just to get it all combined very well. Make sure to grease your loaf pan really well on the bottom and all the sides. That way it'll come out real easily after it's baked. Pour that beautiful batter in and it is almost ready to go into the oven. And now to my favorite part, the nutty topping. You're gonna combine the chopped pecans, your sugar, cinnamon, and either melted butter or canola or coconut oil. Get that all combined real well and then sprinkle that onto the top of the batter. Make sure that it's all evenly distributed so that every bite of this apple cider pumpkin bread has some of that yummy topping on it. So sometimes, even when I'm using my own recipes, things happen and there are big fails, and this is what it looks like. There was too much batter for the size of the pan, and I burned that beautiful pecan crust. What a mess! So I decided I needed to do the recipe over. So here you go, and you can see just how beautiful it looks when it turns out the right way. What I realized is that I put in an entire can of pumpkin instead of just 1 cup. And then when it started to boil over and it took me by surprise, I got so thrown off, I forgot to put the aluminum foil on top for the rest of the baking time. And then it burnt that beautiful spiced pecan crust. And you don't want to do that because it's really, really good. You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.